Hello there, welcome back to weather recap. This is the last one for the year before we enter the winter, not the winter, the weather awards for 2020. It's gonna be certainly long actually. We're gonna have the pre-show, then the later show. There's gonna be one around. It's gonna start on January 1st. It's gonna premiere January 1st at I don't know when. Sometime maybe in the evening hours, maybe at like 7 p.m. and then the awards is gonna probably go into like 9:30. It depends on what happens. I need to make a pre-show. I need to make all the awards. All the awards are almost done, but it's certainly been an interesting month. It's been warm, it's been cold. A mix between both actually. Not as cold as last year, as October. I mean, so. And here right now in December, since I'm making it here, it's delayed. Because of an up and coming winter storm that had pretty good effects over a foot of snow for a small area, isolated areas in Ohio. There's another one possible for Maine, Vermont, New Hampshire, and Massachusetts. When this comes out, it's probably already a warning, and it's probably already snowing there. But we have to talk about the month for this year. Month. So let's get into the Atlantic storms. Actually, 3 named storms only. We have Eta, Theta, and Iota. Eta, it almost peaked at Category 5, almost. 155 miles per hour, 150. People say 160, 165, who knows. We'll make updates, though, to this. Maybe, we'll see. When they get reanalysis, when that starts, we'll tell you then. Theta, just a record-breaking storm, subtropical, was tropical for a period of time, died off pretty quickly. Didn't even become a hurricane, feels bad. And Iota peaked at a Category 5, 160 miles per hour. Eventually, when I get something later this year, at the end of the year, I'll be able to do an automate stream maybe. So we'll see what happens then. Who knows? So, this is pretty West Pacific. It will be next. I was gonna put Goni, Hatsani. Hatsani was only a tropical storm, and Goni was a super typhoon. 190. 195, 200, 205. That's just basically an opinion by my end. I don't know. West Pacific, you got the Tau, and Vamco. Tau, I don't really remember it very much. It wasn't very strong, it was very weak. Vamco, though, was intensifying actually up until landfall, surprisingly, with cooler waters. Defied all expectations, became a major typhoon, Category 3, with winds of 115, 120, 125 miles per hour, in between 115 to 125 miles per hour range. What I'd like to comment on the West Pacific, it's been quiet, but definitely had a memorable storm. Certainly, actually. So, pretty insane. Apart from that, I'd say November's been. Those are in terms of name storms. I could have missed a couple of them. I probably did. But this is pretty insane. So again, it's been same month. So West Pacific was pretty inactive. Eastern Pacific, there's even less to talk about. It's kind of sad. Much less to talk about, actually. You have Odali down. I totally forgot how you pronounce that. And then Polo. Both weak, unorganized, short-lived, basically irrelevant. Is there even a point in talking about it? Is there even a point? So, this is just East Pacific has been playing decently for La Nina. It's pretty decent, and then after that, I don't know. I really actually don't know. Eastern Pacific did pretty well for La Nina, but not a very good year. Is it because there was no Cat 5s actually? It's that it was just a boring year. Every single, but take a look at other basins. Well, some of them I didn't even know. So yeah, I don't know. Apart from that, yeah, let's head to the other basins. Other basins, yeah, Alicia. Alicia was I believe a cyclone. Winds of 75, 80, 85. I really didn't even know it existed until a couple days ago. Well, until today actually, when I make this, which is the 3rd. And then Gaudi, I knew about this storm definitely. Short-lived, but rapidly intensified actually out of nowhere, I believe. Forecasters were saying just normal tropical, just maybe tropical storm force winds, maybe. And it rapidly intensified into a category 3 on the Saffir-Simpson scale. I don't know what they scale the North Indian Ocean uses, so winds of 115, 120. I think it was like a super cyclonic storm, I believe. I don't know what goes on over there. But pretty much just interesting what happens, and then yeah, Brevi, or I don't know how to pronounce that. It's short. It's right now made landfall yesterday as I'm recording this, and yeah. Other important events, yeah, November 10th, quasi-linear system or squall line. It's the most viewed storm on the channel now. I don't know how I feel about that. Interesting, actually. We had a funnel cloud, actually. It was confirmed funnel cloud. I was confused, but I was right under a funnel cloud, I'd assume. That's hands up, some claps right there. Dallas Tornado also, we should also mark that, because again, the second most viewed storm system in general in the channel's history, both in the same month, and then many winter storms, many. Miles went overdrive on the 30th and the 1st. It's just a mess. We're just not even gonna get into that. And then we have a radar imagery for November 1st to the 3rd, where I'm making this. So yeah. Hello, well, thank you for watching this video. I hope you really enjoyed. Thanks for 50 subs. We hit it not too long ago. 50 subs. We're halfway to 100. We passed the views on my main channel. We forget that. Also, what about that? We hit 5,000 views as well. 50 subs, 5,000 views. That's pretty good, actually. I'd like to thank you all. It's pretty insane. Maybe in 2021 we can hit 100 finally. I don't know. I've been on this channel since July, and I thought I'd only have like 15, maybe 20. Hit that many in like August. Now we're here, 50. Not bad. But we did have that one score line gone to everyone's recommended. Same thing with the Dallas Tornado. Technically, people searched it up actually, and mine popped up too. So that's pretty good. I'll see you in the next video though, and goodbye. Have a nice day. Indeed, very good.